and welcome back. If you are using Eclipse, good news! The latest 2025.2 release just dropped with updates shaped by distributors like you. The new version improves usability, workflow speed, and integration readiness. That means now is a great time to revisit how you use Eclipse to make sure you're harvesting the full benefits. In this episode, we walk you through the best practices for getting the most out of Eclipse ERP. Eclipse on its own is already strong. It is fast at the counter, handles inventory really well, keeps your warehouse moving, and it gives you solid visibility into orders, pricing, and purchasing. For many distributors, especially electrical, HVAC, plumbing, and PVF, it is built in a way that just fits the way they work. With the latest Eclipse releases, especially 2025.2, you actually have quite a few improvements that can make your everyday work smoother. Many of these updates came directly from customer feedback, which means they were built around the realities of how distributors work. You'll see better filtering options, cleaner queues, and small usability upgrades across the system. Eclipse also added support for new integrations that a lot of teams have been asking for. Tools like the Kiklo product data connector, IPNO inventory optimization, and Elite Extra for returns automation now connect directly with Eclipse, helping you move faster without juggling multiple systems. And for many distributors, these are not small changes. So Eclipse is clearly moving in the right direction, becoming easier to use, more flexible, and more aligned with day-to-day distributors' needs. Now, the real question is, how do you take all of this and get the most out of it in your own operations? Let us walk through a few practical ways to make Eclipse work even better for you. First, keep your product and customer data clean. Eclipse is powerful, but it can only be as accurate as the data you feed it. Even simple things like outdated pricing, missing UPCES, inconsistent naming, or old customer accounts can slow everything down. A small data cleaning routine every month goes a long way. Second, make sure your branches follow consistent processes. Eclipse works best when everyone uses it the same way. Whether it is order entry, purchasing, receiving, or returns, if each location does it differently, you'll see mismatched inventory, confused workflows, and unnecessary manual work. Standardizing your internal processes keeps the ERP stable. Third, use the reports and dashboards that Eclipse gives you. A lot of people underuse these. Even the basic dashboards can show you low stock, open orders, slow moving items, and purchasing alerts. When you actually review these regularly, it prevents surprises and helps you make decisions faster. Use filtering, queues, and updated UX features for efficiency. Take advantage of Eclipse's improved filters and queue management. It makes everyday tasks faster, lets you prioritize work, and keeps things organized instead of relying on spreadsheets. Automate returns and reverse logistics. If you handle returns or reverse logistics, use the integrated returns automation tools now supported under Eclipse 2025.2 to simplify that workflow and reduce manual effort. Plan integrations deliberately, real-time versus batch. For critical functions like pricing, availability, or orders, choose real-time or dynamic syncs. For catalog updates or reports, schedule batch integrations. This balance keeps your system stable and responsive. And finally, integrate smartly. You can use Automation Studio for the simpler automations. It is a low-code automation option built into Epicor powered by Workato, but it is really ideal only for straightforward tasks. When you start dealing with complex business logic, multiple customer tier pricing, unusual workflows, or advanced data mapping, it can get limiting pretty fast. Some users have even mentioned that it feels effectively in beta, and things like customizing dashboards or building stronger workflows often require jumping through hoops or relying on workarounds. And because it sits inside a much larger ERP ecosystem, heavy customization or large-scale automation can become unpredictable if you have the team, the time, and the experience working with Eclipse data structures. That is always an option. But if you want something that follows an ERP-first approach, a tool that is uniquely built for distributors and manufacturers, a tool that understands Eclipse and the way it behaves, then DCCAP Integrator is a great fit. It is designed to keep your ERP at the center, connect your other systems cleanly, and take away the hassle of mapping, syncing, retrying, debugging, and maintaining the integrations yourself. It gives you the flexibility you want without the stress that usually comes with integration projects. At the end end of the day, Eclipse is a solid foundation. What you build on top of it, the data discipline, the standardized processes, and the right integration, that is what actually unlocks its full potential. If you have any questions or thoughts about Epicor Eclipse, drop them in the comments below and we will be happy to answer. You can also schedule a chat with our integration experts to discuss your specific integration needs. Thank you.